before you pay for Grok AI subscription or any other AI tool, let me show you guys something very interesting and something that will save you a lot of money. There is a platform called Z2U.com. This is a marketplace where different sellers list digital products, game accounts, subscriptions, and also AI related accounts like Grok AI. So for example, if I go over to the official site of Grok AI, you see that Grok AI costs around $30 depending on the plan you select. Now, if I go over to this platform called Z2U.com, I'm also going to leave the link to this platform in the video description down below. On the platform, you can just come over here on the search bar and search whatever you want to get. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and search Grok here, and it's going to show me the results right here. And you can see you can get Grok 3 days free trial, you can get Super Grok 2 months account, and you can see you get it for a fraction of that price. And this is actually for 2 months. If you come over here, you can get Super Grok for 12 months as well. You also get Super Grok accounts for 1 month, and you can see you get it for a fraction of the price. So if you're a content creator and you create AI videos with Grok AI and you actually want to cut costs on your video creation, then you may want to check out this platform. Their services are affordable, and if you're just an upcoming content creator, these platforms can actually help you continue creating content. So once again, I'm going to leave the link in the video description down below. So with that said, let me go ahead and show you guys an alternative to Grok AI, just in case you don't have money to pay for any of these AI tools. This one I'm showing you, you can use it for free. Let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so the platform we are going to be using as an alternative to Grok AI is called Pigverse.ai. So go over to Google and simply type Pigverse.ai. Just go ahead and click on the first link you see right there, and it's going to open up and take you to this page. Now over here you can see upon registration you will get 90 credits on the platform. Now don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you guys ways you can get more credits on the platform and generate content almost unlimited. So to sign up, just come over here and click on the login button here. It is going to take you right here. So to sign up, just come over here and click on sign up. Once you click on it, it's going to take you right here. So this is where you enter your username, your email address, your password, you confirm the password, and this is where you verify you are not a robot. Then you go ahead and click on continue. So that is how to create your account on the platform. Now I already have an account, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to be creating a new account. So I'm just going to write a username as Kelly1, then I'm going to enter my email address right here. So this is the email address I'm going to use. I'm going to create a password. Alright, so after entering my password, I'm going to verify I'm a human. So you can see success. Next, I'm going to scroll down here and click on continue. And you can see, let's go ahead and wait. You can see verification code sent successful. So they actually sent a verification code to my email. So I'm just going to go ahead, copy it and paste it right here to verify. So make sure you make use of an active email address. So let me just get the code and come back. Alright, so this is the code right here. Now I'm going to verify I'm a human again. After that, I'm going to go ahead, click continue, and boom guys, we just created our account. And immediately we create our account, you can see at the top right here I have 90 credits. So we are going to be using these 90 credits to test out this platform and generate some images, generate videos and all of that. But remember, this 90 credit is obviously not going to be enough for you. So we are going to find a way to get unlimited credit so we can continue generating videos without hitting limits on time. So let me quickly take you guys through this platform and show you guys some of its features. You can generate videos. So if you select on videos, this is where you can describe, and if you want to upload a reference image, you can just upload it and then type what you want to generate. You can also generate videos. So if I select on video, This is where you can describe the video you want to generate. You can also upload a reference image. This is where you can select the resolution of the video you want to generate. This is where you can also select the duration. You can generate up to 15 seconds of video. Over here, this is where you select the AI model you want to use in creating your video or your image. So I'm going to go over here to ChatGPT to get my prompt. And remember, we are going to be generating an image first. So I'm just going to come over here to ChatGPT and I'm going to paste these prompts here. And I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a detailed image prompt for a cinematic African movie scene. The image should show a young man standing on a quiet road at sunset, looking worried, include camera angle, lighting, outfits, background, and 16:9 aspect ratio. So we are just going to go ahead and send these prompts right here, and ChatGPT is going to generate a better prompt for us. After copying the prompt from ChatGPT, I'm going to come over here and generate image. So I'm going to go ahead, click on image, come over here and select the AI model I want to use. You can use Queen Image here to generate your image. You can use Nano Banana 2. You can use GPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, Seedance 5.0. You can see there are lots of AI tools here to use, but in this video we are going to be using Queen Image. So I'm going to just go ahead, tap on it, and the reason why I'm using it is because I discovered that using Queen Image to generate your images here, it consumes less credits. So for example, if I click on it here and select Nano Banana 2, you will see that it's going to consume 16 credits to generate just one image. If I now select GPT Image 2, you will see it costs 15 credits to generate just one image. So if you want to manage your credits, just go ahead and select Queen Image, and the results are also good. So I'm just going to come over here and paste in the prompts I copied from ChatGPT right here. And if you have a reference image, you can also upload it, but this time we don't have it. We are creating it from scratch. So after pressing your prompts, you can come over here and select the resolution. So you can go up to 1080p, but you can see if we select 1080p here, it is going to consume 10 credits. But if you select 720p, it's going to be 5 credits. So we are just going to leave it on 720p here. And the aspect ratio, we are going to select 16:9. Let's go ahead and click on create. So after hitting on create, you can see at the top right here, it has generated the image for us in seconds, right? It did not take a lot of time. The image has been generated. I'm just going to go ahead and click on download, and right at the top here, you can see it has been downloaded. So I'm going to be using this image here as my reference image to create the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the image. It's going to take me here. I'm going to go ahead and click on video. And once I click on video, the image is going to come over here. So next, I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt. Now, for me to get a detailed prompt, I'm going to go ahead and go back to ChatGPT here. And I'm going to go ahead and paste the image here. After that, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a detailed prompt so I can use it to make a video out of it. And ChatGPT is going to analyze the image and give me a better prompt so I can use it to animate the image. So all I'm going to do is to just copy the prompts here like this. So I'm going to go back to Grok AI. Remember, we already have this image as our reference. So I'm just going to paste the prompts right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on create. Let's go ahead and wait for the video to finish generating. All right, so the video has been generated, as you can see it right here. And to me, I think the quality is actually great. So let me just go ahead and download it. I'm going to just hit on download, and once I hit on it, the video is going to be downloaded. So you can see it has downloaded successful. So let's go ahead and watch the full video.
Something is not right. Why is this place so quiet?
All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys how to get more credits on the platform. So there are actually two ways. The first way is by creating more accounts. So if you have multiple Gmail accounts, you can actually do that. Now, another way is by leveraging on their referral system. So you can just come over here and click on earn credits, and over here you can see you will get up to 4,340 credits for free by just inviting your friends. So if you know your friends that are into AI video creation but they are actually on a budget, you can just copy your code and send it to them. When they are creating an account on Pigverse AI, they should use your code and you get credits. And you can see here you get up to 4,340 credits for free. You can also copy your invites link right here and send it to them. If you like, you can use the code. If you like, you can use the invites link. All right, now the final one is by actually subscribing. Yes, they have a premium plan, so you can click on subscribe right there, and their plans are actually not expensive. So you can see right here you can even start with $8 per month, and you can go ahead and start generating your AI videos. Okay guys, so thanks for watching so much. If you do appreciate me making this step-by-step tutorial, please take a second to leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.